compute the kWh, calculating electricity consumption. So before that, what is the kWh? So when you say kWh, it means the kilowatt hour. So ito ay, it measure the electrical energy and appliances uses. So the higher the power and longer operating time, mean higher din yung ating kWh. Electricity bills are largely based on the kWh consumed. So what is the formula for the kWh? Usually the power times the hours kung gaano natin katagal ginagamit. So if the appliances rating is in watts, okay, so usually i-divide muna natin sa 1,000, then times the hours. So, pero before that, where we can find the watts. So, saan natin makikita yung watts? So, you have to check the appliances label or nameplate on the back or on the bottom. And then we look for the power, yung W. Rated power, input power, or power consumption. Also, we have to check the user manual or manufacturer's specification. So what does the label look like? So ganito yung magiging makikita natin sa label ng mga appliances. Nakalagay dito power. Tapos nakaspecify talaga if it is 1 to watts. So ito yung example. So usually kapag ganito, para makuha natin yung kWh, yung 1 to watts, i-divide na natin siya sa 1,000. So ibig sabihin 1.2 kilowatt siya yung appliances na yun. So from watts to kilowatts, example nito ay, yun na, 1 ang watts niya, appliances used for 2 hours. So, ang gagawin natin, etong si 1 ay i-divide natin sa 1,000. So, nung i-divide natin siya sa 1,000 times 2 is equivalent to 2.2. So, ibig sabihin, 2.2 kilowatt hour siya. Okay? Ito yung kanyang kilowatt hour, yung appliances na to. Another example, to calculate the electricity cost, o para makuha naman natin kung magkano nga yung nagamit natin, we have to know the kWh times the electricity rate. So, ito yung example natin. So, nakuha na natin 2.2 kilowatt yung ginamit natin appliances kanina. So, for the electricity rate natin, meron tayong 12. So, 12 yung ginamit ko per kilowatt hour daw. So, ang gagawin lang natin is we have to 2.2 times 12. Ang equivalent na niya is 26.40. So, therefore, the estimated electricity cost is 26.40 for 2 hours. Kasi yun yung example na ginamit natin kanina. So, you have to use your actual electricity rate for a more accurate estimate. So, another thing, here are the example. Halimbawa, nagtayo kayo ng commercial dryer. Meron kayong laundry business. So, nakita nyo yung inyong appliances, the dryer power ay may 5,000 watts. Nakalagay yun dyan sa inyong ilalim ng appliances. So, ang gagawin natin, you have to divide the 5,000 divide to 1,000. So, makukuha natin yung 5 kW. Tapos, ang operating time natin, ilang hours tayo nag-ooperate. So, 1 hour. So, 5 times 1 is equivalent to 5 kW. kWh. So, ang energy consumption natin is 5 kWh. Okay? So, yun yung energy consumption natin for 1 hour. So, magkano? So, to compute the electricity cost, ayan na, 5 yung kWh natin, we just have to times it into 12. So, ang mangyayari, ang kanyang equals ay 60. So, the dryer costs about 60 for 1 hour at this example rate. So, actual electricity rates may vary by utility and location also. Okay, next one. We have here another example. Meron daw tayo ditong laundry business. So, ang washer daw natin, nakita natin ay 2 kW ang kanya. So, 2 kW ang watts niya, times natin sa 8 hours. Kasi, ang washer natin ay pinapagana natin ng 8 hours. So, ang kWh per day ng washer ay 16. Tapos, may dryer ka. Kasi nga, ito ay laundry business. May dryer ka. Tapos, ang kWh ng dryer mo is 5 kilowatts. ita-times mo siya sa 8 hours kasi yun din yung gamit mo. Okay? So, nung 5 times 8, 40. So, ang total ng washer at dryer mo a day is 56 kilowatt per day. So, magkano ang kWh natin na rate sa Battelec? 12. So, ang mangyayari niyan, 56 times 12 equals 672 a day. So, ito yung iyong electricity cost sa buong maghapon kung meron kang 56 na kWh per day. Okay? So, for the monthly estimate naman, the daily consumption mo nga is 56 kWh. So, assuming na meron tayong 30 operating days. So, the times lang natin, 56 times 30 is 1680. So, ang mangyayari niyan, 12 yung electricity rate natin. So, 1680 times 12, meron tayong 20,160 a month na babayarang electricity cost for our laundry business. Okay? So, practice tayo. A 2,000 watts washer run for 3 hours. So, how many kWh daw? So, 2,000 siya. I-divide natin into 1,000 watts. So, ang lalabas yan is 2 kWh. So, yung 2 kWh, ita-times natin sa 3 hours kasi nagra-run siya ng 3 hours. So, meron tayong 6 kWh. So, ang answer natin is 6 kilowatt hour. So, remember the step ha. You just have to convert the watts, divide to 1,000 para makuha natin yung kW and multiply the kW times hours. And then the last one is calculate the cost. Dito na yung kWh natin, ita-times na natin sa electricity rate. Then malalaman na natin kung magkano yung cost ng ating daily consumption. So know your kWh to control your electricity cost. Thank you. So don't waste what you pay for. Switch up and save.